Hey, so let me show you all features of your JBL Tune 510, and we can actually find a couple of the useful options. The first one, you will be surprised, but you can actually get two devices connection. So take a look. I have this iPhone SE and I'm connected, and also I'm connected on my Android phone, as you can see, with the same headphones. And to enable this pairing on the headphones, this dual device connection, you will have to grab them like this and locate this the play button and the volume up button, and you have to click and hold these two buttons together until this indicator starts blinking, just like this. Now it means that you simply enable the dual pairing mode and you can connect these headphones with the two devices at the same time, just like this. The next very useful option is to wake the voice assistant. So in my case, when I double tap on this play button quickly, I can voice the Google Assistant on my phone. Currently it works on the Siri, but I'm gonna turn it off. And now we are gonna switch to the Google Assistant. There we go. You can also switch songs, so we can go for the next or the previous song by using the volume buttons, just right here. The volume up to go for the next song, so double tap. We have to click and hold. And to go for the previous song, you have to click and hold the volume down button. You can also play and pause media by single tapping on this play button. And also by using this button, you can reject and end calls. And that's basically it. That's all the best features of the JBL Tune 510. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.